Condition-based maintenance. Condition-based maintenance triggers are part of a well-planned preventive maintenance program. If a piece of equipment isn't functioning right, it can be checked, adjusted, and returned to normal operation without much expense or time instead of experiencing a costly and time-consuming failure. Various techniques are used to monitor the condition of an asset, track condition triggers and act on. These methods can range from inexpensive to more expensive, technically demanding ones. The various methods for assessing condition-based maintenance are discussed here.